Trăng bạc cái lao Conrad cái sang ma man tak sengi la Plie ya cái CM Connect Center Sohiong Community and Rural Development Block nalagay pat ki kampan roy. Rasa kilang hakanik program daw menteri kampan roy nang kendong ba suthna so tun WMI Sohiong ba sinsya ko pa roy lang do thaba bat kiwe. Maria Plie ya kanik CM Connect Center Trăng ba la Pdiang Briew sundon ban sngap ya kijing bagi lapan sengew halo kimat ba phe. KCM Connect Center kadagi jaka ban sim bat sngap ya jing bagi paj ba hal ki kam ba pher ki bayadai bat kasroka nol kadagi center mtirang ba ola pliru ya ka block integrated development ka ba art po nyup klul hakbal IT hau ba pentingan lang nongrang nak sinong nong ubala syakri khat news nem kum sipai haka fast asam regiment ka Indian Army la pliru ya khandai tri ki monong rimban te kam penroi ke blakot syak chispa so phok krotam bakan thup ya ka di ka kam chingok kai kum ka kanro viewpoint Sohiong viewpoint hotel and public viewpoint halum dingyai nologi surok bat kijing penpoi syaki lengkha.
Before we start, as you are all aware that we have started a very small but a very meaningful program and a meaningful procedure, especially for the inauguration of the block offices. I intend to make it as common as possible, where instead of the minister or the chief minister inaugurating buildings, I would want somebody from the society, some individual who has contributed in some way to the village or to the state or to the country, do the honors to inaugurate that building or that particular project. I feel it is much more meaningful because Chief Minister and Minister will do their work, do what has to be done, but involving the community, involving those who have contributed to society, not only sends a positive message to the people, but also leads to a sense of recognition for those who have contributed. So today we have an ex-army person in form of Bakintalla, and it is an honor that a person who has served for our country is going to be today inaugurating this particular block office today. So I just wanted to share this, and this is something that I would desire that every department in every inauguration should try and bring somebody from the community to do the honors to inaugurate the building. So with these few words, I request our chief guest of today to inaugurate the block building and to unveil the plaque. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Right. So what we will be doing, just to share with you, is that because we don't have much time, that all these points now here, which have been mentioned here by Jirwa.
Yes.
And what we'll be doing is that this center here is an online center. So there are agents out here. We'll be entering all the issues that have been mentioned here by Jirwa. These will go straight to the different departments, and the different departments will then take up this matter, revert back to the center, and this center will then revert back to Jirwa. Of course, we have to know that we cannot solve all the problems. Yes, but what we will do is that at least we will ensure that we note everything down and work towards solving it. And there are some of them which are very simple, that we understand, like for example the mini stadium that you mentioned. These are areas we can easily work on. Irrigation depends on how big the area is, so we have to work into all the details. But friends, the point being that this kind of a system and this kind of a process allows people now to connect with the government and express their concerns and their problems in a very, very simple and a direct way. So I hope and I wish this center the very best. And please remember, you are the most important people in the center. Your one small smile can make a big difference. I can see that you guys smile very nicely. So please be kind to the people. Please be good to them and take care of them. I think being kind is maybe 50% of the work that we try to do through CM Connect. To be empathetic, to understand the people's problem, and I think that's very, very important. Okay. So good luck. Thank you so much. Thank you, Madhu.